Hello YouTube, how are you guys doing today? Alright, this is at my college. They're doing some construction and remodeling to the college. And I tried recording this excavator for a good friend of mine. But as you see right there, someone's doing something with the dirt, and if you look really closely, that thing is rolling on the dirt by remote control. See the guy with the remote control? That thing is not electric, but it's running on gas and he has a remote control. I do not know what that machine does to the dirt, but that machine is pretty cool. So, enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.